Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk and today I'm going to be going over some of the steps we believe you should take if you've been involved in a hip fracture accident and wish to bring a hip fracture accident compensation claim. We're going to be going over a number of important steps that could make all the difference to the success of your claim. If at any point during the video you have any questions, we have a free phone helpline where you can talk to one of our team on a no obligation basis, where they'll aim to get you the help that you need if you've been the victim of negligence. Call now on 0800 652 7676 and one of our team will do their best to assist you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Now before we crack on with the video, if you've ever been involved in an accident, would you consider using a personal injury claim solicitor to help pursue compensation? Let us know in the comments below. Being the victim of negligence which resulted in a hip fracture accident can be a very stressful and traumatic experience. However, the good news is that in a lot of circumstances, the victims of such incidents may be entitled to compensation. So, if you wish to bring a hip fracture accident compensation claim, what steps should you take? It's important to get yourself checked out and have your injuries assessed by a medical professional as soon as possible after the accident. Not only will this mean that you'll receive the most appropriate treatment, but also your attendance is evidence that you can use to show that you were injured. In terms of the claims process, records from the medical assessment may be used as evidence to help demonstrate the severity of your injury. When it comes to gathering evidence, it's important that you speak to anybody who may have witnessed your accident and ask for their contact details. Take photographs of the accident location and what specifically caused your injury, as well as making note of whether there was any CCTV cameras covering the area in which the accident occurred. And you must, if possible, ensure that an accident report is completed. These steps are all steps that should be taken in the immediate aftermath of an accident, and depending on the circumstances, the order in which these steps are done may differ. But if you wish to bring a claim for compensation, then you should do all you can to ensure that these steps are taken. And there may be other circumstances or situations where specific things need to be done. For example, if you tripped on a defect in the pavement, documenting the size of the defect and taking photographs will be vital, as the defect may be corrected after your accident. When it comes to bringing a claim, we recommend that you contact a no-win, no-fee hip fracture accident compensation claim solicitor like ourselves, legalexpert.co.uk. Enlisting the services of a no-win, no-fee claim solicitor means that as long as you're honest in your account of how the accident happened, you can get a professional working on securing the compensation that you deserve for your injury right away without having to worry about paying any upfront fees. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or use our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk to see if we're able to assist you in pursuing the compensation that you deserve. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a completely free, zero obligation consultation. We will talk through the incident with you in order to help you establish whether or not you may be able to claim. Our team may be able to discuss Personal Injury Reforms 2021, Average Compensation for Hip Injury UK, Broken Hip Compensation Amount UK, Changes to Personal Injury Claims 2021, How much compensation will I get for a hip replacement, Average Compensation for Broken Pelvis, Average Settlement for Broken Hip, and Whiplash Compensation 2021. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. Or you can check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice on our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis for your personal injury claim.